আমি আপনাদের মাধ্যমে সকলকে একটাই বলতে চাই, এখন ইনভেস্টিগেশন চলছে, হাইকোর্টে রাইট নাও একটা শুনানি চলছে, তার নিয়ে সেজন্য এইগুলো ইস্যুতে অল ইস্যুজ আর বিং ডিসকাস। আমরাও দেখছিলাম, আমাদের কিন্তু একটাই কমিটমেন্ট, আমরা চাই এইরকম যে ঘটনা সেটা রিপিটেশন না হোক, প্রপার ইনভেস্টিগেশন করা হোক। ইনভেস্টিগেশনের কয়েকটা পদ্ধতি আছে, তার মধ্যে কিন্তু কোনো ভুল যদি না হয় সেটাই আমাদের কাজ। সেকেন্ডলি, সামান্য পরিষেবা যেটা রাজ্য সরকার সবসময় কমিটেড আছে, সে পরিষেবাগুলো চলুক। প্রায় ডেলি আমরা প্রায় 2 লাখের উপর ওপিডি করি, 1 লাখের উপর ডেলি টেলিমেডিসিন সার্ভিস করা হয়। প্রত্যেক দিন 12,000 থেকে 15,000 লোক ইনডোর পেশেন্ট ডিপার্টমেন্টে অ্যাডমিশন নেয়। সেই সার্ভিসগুলো কিন্তু আমাদের নর্মালসিও রাখতে হবে। An extremely unfortunate incident has happened on 9th August 2024 at RG Kar Medical College Hospital. The state government condemns this incident in the strongest words. We strongly condemn this incident and we are fully committed for its proper investigation. Commissioner of Police Calcutta is personally, you have been seeing, Commissioner of Police Calcutta has personally supervising the investigation. A special investigation team has also been formed from the day one itself for proper investigation. We will ensure, let it be taken as a commitment from the state government, that we will ensure highest possible punishment to the culprits. Parents of the victim girl are also regularly updated on the progress of the investigation. Due to promptness of the police authorities investigation team, the prime accused has been identified and arrested within 12 hours of the incident. It is one of the fastest investigation which we have seen. I have personally met the agitating doctors on Saturday itself and assured that a proper investigation will be carried out and culprits will be punished. Commissioner of Police Calcutta has also met the agitating doctors on Sunday 11/8/2024 and informed regarding the progress of investigation made so far. This was one of the demands of the agitating doctors at RG Kar. Honorable Chief Minister has also gone personally to meet the unfortunate parents and assured them that the proper investigation will be carried out. Principal and MSVP of RG Kar Medical College have been replaced. It is to reiterate that the state government condemns this gruesome incident and we assure that in the last few days patient services have been badly affected across the state in many hospitals across the state due to absence of the resident doctors, OPDs as well as emergency departments. Currently, we have requested senior doctors, paramedical department doctors are providing emergency and OPD services. Still, we are also receiving the complaints from the patients regarding the emergency care, not availability of the timely emergency care in some of the hospitals. It is our appeal to the resident doctors that they, considering the commitment of the state government for proper investigation and the commitment given for their proper arrangements, they must return to their services considering the commitment shown by the state government towards the proper investigation of the case as well as towards ensuring the safety and security of the resident doctors. The government upholds the dignity of our medical professionals in the highest order, and we request that normalcy in patient services should also be restored immediately for the welfare of the public.